Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial, we are going to see how I made more than $1,000 in just 8 days. Yes, you heard it right. In just 8 days, $1,000 by just selling ebooks. Now let me show you some of my states. Ebook actually has a lot of potential. Why? Because in ebook you can include as many things as you want. अगर आप चाहते हो कि आप उसमें वीडियो की लिंक इंक्लूड करो तो वो आप कर सकते हो. आप अगर पिक्चोरियल कंटेंट यूज़ करना चाहते हो तो वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. अगर आप टेक्सचुअल फॉर्मेट में ही ई बुक बनाना चाहते हो तो वो भी बना सकते हो, सो दैट यू कैन लेवरेज द पावर ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन एंड प्रेजेंट इट टू द पीपल who are willing to learn from you. So let's get started about how you can also sell ebooks on various platform. Go to canva.com. जिन लोगों को कैनवा के बारे में पता नहीं है, मैं उसको बता दूं कि कैनवा एक ऑनलाइन डिज़ाइन टूल है जिसमें आप कोई भी चीज़ डिज़ाइन कर सकते हो इजीली ऑनलाइन. उसमें सारे एलिमेंट, सारे टेम्पलेट्स अवेलेबल है जो कि आपके डिजिटल क्रिएशन के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा काम में आने वाले. तो प्लीज़ बुकमार्क दिस वेबसाइट called canva.com. Now on Canva we'll go to search bar and write book cover. When you will search for the book cover, it will give you a pre-built resolution of 1410 by 2250. और यहाँ पे जाके आप देख सकते हो कि like there are lots of templates available. You can pick almost any template and like you can also filter by free and pro versions of the templates to make your book cover in a funky style. So you can pick this one. So let's edit it. Okay, so this is the pre-built template available on Canva. You can change almost everything, like you can change the color of all these shapes. You can change the color of font. You can change the font itself. Cooking era. So the name of author. So it, for example, let's say John Smith. I'm giving a random name. और उसके बाद यहाँ पे जाके आप बहुत सारे कुकिंग के रिलेटेड एलिमेंट्स भी सर्च कर सकते हो. सो लाइक okay, so these are the elements available for cooking, so you can pick any of them. Okay, this is another example of book cover page which you can also use. Would like to add a new page, the whole fresh new page, then also you can add it. Now you can add some elements, like let's say for example if you are adding a rectangle to give it a slight segmental look, just like this one, and let's change the transparency to slightly like this. And now we'll add some text. So like you have multiple options for adding the text. You can easily download the whole ebook in a PDF format. So I'm currently downloading it, and yeah, my PDF is ready. We are going to make the cover of an ebook. So now to make the cover of ebook, what you can do is you can extract or you can just save this particular image, which is the first image of the ebook, the page 1, in PNG file. So that will be our cover image of the ebook. We'll go to placeit.net. So Placeit is a website where you can create mockups for the ebook, upload this particular page to be applied. So you can see that the cover page has been added for the mockup, and you can now download it. Go to Gumroad. Gumroad is a platform where you can easily sell your digital products. Click on start selling today. The name of product is Cooking Era. The treasure of trending cooking recipe. You can put it for selling for just 1.99. Then we'll click next. Select the images which we have just made for the book. It will show the book like this. And you can write the description in this book. You can find the tons of recipes which are new and unique. So this is the cover page of the book. You can add call to action like I want this. It will be displayed over here, and there are also other options like buy this and pay. So we'll just keep it by this. Summary is basically what you are going to give in this particular book, so you can write bullet points. So let's just add unique recipes, then free guide for healthy lifestyle. Perfect. Okay, now you should upload your ebook over here. Like from computer you can add your ebook which has been downloaded from Canva as a PDF. You can leave this option as it is, and that's it. It's that easy. The product has been published. So when we'll check it on Gumroad, it will just show us like this. You can share this link on your social media platforms, or there are lots of ways to promote the ebook. You can go to Quora. You can write your answers in topic Quora, and you can paste your link in this particular different topics, and you can go to medium.com for promoting your ebook. You can definitely start writing micro blogs. You can write into your own blogs. You can give the link to your ebook and people just can purchase from it.